This could be the most unique haunted house we've ever been to. We're at the Baker's Junction Haunted Train here just south of Bloomington, Indiana. We've got 2 different attractions here, one's for adults and one's for kids. And the whole thing takes you through centuries-old train depots and actual train cars. This is a super classic old school haunt. Not a lot of big fancy animatronics and that sort of thing. There's an absolute train load of creativity in here, and we're excited to take you guys through with us and check it out, see if we can get some scares tonight.
I was running a skill saw over my head and the thing popped out and cut my finger off.
Uh-oh.
So I kept it, made me a keychain.
Oh, wow.
Oh, okay.
You sure did.
How old is that keychain?
Oh, see, about 10 years.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
That's a creepy keychain.
Yeah.
Always serves as a reminder, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. Ooh.
Oh, my.
Hit your mirror there.
Oh, that's creepy. A few minutes, no, maybe never. Beware ye who enter.
Oh.
There's all kinds of skulls. That's blow me away. There's a nasty spider. Yuck, there's a bunch of spiders. Wait it!
Whoa.
Oh, come on! Well, hang on. I'm trying to avoid these spiders. Ooh. Oh, wow. Better run! Oh, gosh. Okay, there's Art. You guys go that way! That way? That way!
This way.
Ah! You can do that. Ooh, wooden doors. Oh, there's body parts. There's all kinds of glowy stuff. What's up there? Oh, there's some witches. Oh, what's
The witches up there? Oh, yeah.
Is that a mirror? Is it just a mirror?
Nope, nope. Art's back here. We gotta be careful.
There's creepy stuff. Door number 1. Wow. Oh, they're on a different side. There's a little face. Hey! Are you having fun yet? Yeah. Good! Hey!
I think he's stalking me. Nope, nope. He went back the other way.
Is it a guitar? Yeah, it's a guitar.
Yeah.
Shut up!
Oh, my.
Whoa.
There he is.
Oh, you're the guy from Scare Factor.
Yeah.
Hey!
Oh, my.
Oh, there's an. Oh, that
There's
one's
one
a
stuck
spider
in the
as
leaves.
well, in the leaves.
Oh, my.
Wow. Why is it part teeth? I don't think you do. I'm trying to go all the wrong way.
Oh, let's go in here.
To the Baker home, it said.
I think that one's alive. Yep, definitely alive.
Definitely alive. You spiders.
Oh, my.
Whoa, that
Uh-oh, that thing moved. Oh, God.
Nope.
Yep. Use the doorknob. Oh, God. Use the doorknob.
It opens
Oh, it only lets us through when it wants us through.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh God. Start again.
Yes, the scare factor. Is that
Been waiting. Go into the darkness.
Go
into the darkness? That's right.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Oh God.
There's the darkness right there.
Right on through that way. Have fun, guys.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. So creepy stuff hanging down. That's a big old trunk. Oh,
Get skinny.
get skinny.
Angry butchers. Angry skeletons.
That was a good one. Oh, look at the way they did the door.
Oh yeah.
Grab one.
Oh God. Taking that stuff down.
Hey, look at that! Look at
Skelly.
In. Way. I'm gonna go this way. It's dark. There's all kinds of weird doors that you must push. There's a gold skin.
Clowns.
At first I thought he was fake, but then when his head turned,
Yeah.
I was like,
Oh, siren.
that one's got a siren. Die that way.
It's not going that way. Oh God. I don't think it's gonna matter which way we go.
No.
We're gonna die either way.
The train car.
Oh yeah.
6165.
Oh my.
Yeah. You got a real weapon.
Cut a cut.
Careful, we're way up high.
We are way up. Train steps. Ooh. He's coming after us.
Whoa!
Can't move
That's
it up. That's not good. Go find these chainsaws. Don't know which way to go. It's amazing. Still stalking us. Oh God. He's angry.
Should we go back that way?
Maybe? Yes, to the left. Nope.
There's no way out!
There's no way out, he says.
Where I'm going. They're banging.
Hello again!
Oh,
Have you guys had fun?
oh yeah.
Alright.
Oh, there he
You
is.
guys stop. In the middle of this, there's a magic show. Ready?
Magic show?
Okay. Audience participation here. Ready? Gather around. Come on, gather around, gather around, gather around. We got magic drink. Okay, now everyone, put your right arm up. Okay, now put your left arm up. Now put your right arm up. George!
Oh, that was not
this way. He said we gotta go that way.
Where do we go?
He's saying go that way.
Alright, we have to turn around.
Why?
Doing that. You're crazy.
It's not very nice.
I should have went right. George is hungry, I think. Hello there.
Yo.
What in the world was that?
Underneath the train.
Uh-oh. I think he's behind the curtain.
There.
Oh, screamers.
Oh, through the coffin door.
Oh, yeah. Hey, it's John again.
Ooh, that was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is much longer than it appears
We
from
were
out
there a
there.
lot.
Yeah. I like how you can go and see like underneath the trains too.
You know, some people will make it through in 20 minutes, and others will be in it for an hour. or two.
Right?
Yeah, I can see that.
They get your prize on the truck, you know.
Since there's
Here's
so
a
many.
prize on the truck there.
Oh, yeah. You get a prize to make it through.
For making it through the scarier side.
Yeah. In addition to the adult haunted side, they've also got this kid-friendly side. It's a little bit more like a museum. You can just walk around at your leisure, take a look at things. They've got some games that you can play. Really cool that they've got two different intensity levels for people of all ages. All right, guys. Well, that was it for the Baker's Junction haunted train. Let us know what you thought down in the comments.
That was fun.
That was a lot of
This is a
fun.
nostalgic haunted house.
Lots of cool tricks up their sleeves for sure. If this is your first time watching, we are the Scare Factor. We're haunted attraction enthusiasts, and we like to help other haunt enthusiasts like you discover more about haunted houses. If you want to check out the full review with ratings, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. We've also got a national haunted directory of all the haunted houses across the country, including here in Indiana. And we've even started expanding to other countries as well. We're going to head on off to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.